Hello everyone, happy to see you back on my YouTube channel. Today we will discover how to add desktop shortcuts that lead to websites using Chrome or Edge. And this feature is not supported on Firefox, or maybe I just don't know about it. I don't know why Firefox doesn't have it, but sometimes this feature could be pretty useful, especially if you're using Chrome. I know most of you use Chrome, so this is going to be pretty helpful. How to do it on Chrome. So let's instantly show you how to do it on Chrome. Today we will be bookmarking my website. To access it, it is pretty easy. Just go to youtube.com/@heck80ka. You will see my intro video, or if you already subscribed, it's still gonna show up. You have to click on this link, and then it'll take you to this page, or you could use this link. So we have this website, so we want to bookmark this website. Put a desktop shortcut. So this is what we're gonna do. Pretty simple, and it's pretty similar on both browsers. First, you click on this three dots thing. Second, you hover over more tools, and then go to create shortcut. You're gonna have multiple options. You can rename it, and then the shortcut's gonna go on the desktop. You can type in your name. You can make it open as a window and not open as a window. So we'll show examples of both. So this is the one with the window open. As you can see, it opens in that. You could use that and open in Chrome back. You can hover over more tools and create another one. This one, I'm not gonna put that, and it just creates like normal. So when I minimize everything, I have this and this. So let's test it. I open the website inside Chrome. It just opens in Chrome in another tab, so that works perfectly. If I put, let me see. I think I made a mistake, so I have to put more tools and create shortcut. I think you can only create one shortcut. It will make multiple, but it will have the same setting. So I'm gonna have it. Then when you select open a new window, it's gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna delete these shortcuts because I do not need them. You also have like a apps thing, so you could see if it's open or not. Chrome apps. As you can see, I have this thing over here. I want to remove it. Okay, I just removed it. Okay, so now we know how to do it on Chrome, so let's do it on Edge. Edge is a little different process. You click on this three dots, you hover over apps, you click on install this site as an app. All you can do is edit the name. You can choose where you want it to be. Click on install, and then now you have it as now it opened. You could select the settings. As you can see, you can auto start on device login. That could be pretty helpful. You will not want it. You'd want to make it shortcut. You could pin it to the start of taskbar if you want to on Chrome. You will see it over here. You just put it. I'm gonna do that. You can only open it in the window, unfortunately. You cannot open it inside the browser itself. But it's pretty helpful if you want to to check something like quickly. So yeah, to delete it as if it's a app, you just hover over, manage the apps. You can click on the three dots and uninstall it, and then it goes away. So this is how you do it on these browsers. Hopefully now you know how. Have a nice day, everyone.